8. Do this before investing money. If you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. Now, the easiest way to make your money while you sleep is by investing. However, if the investments are not done in a planned manner with a proper objective in mind, it can even jeopardize your financial future. So, you're thinking to start investing. But before you enter, are you prepared? Do you actually meet all the requirements that will make your investment journey smoother? In this video, we'll discuss such things that you should do before you start investing. 1. Build an emergency fund. As the name suggests, an emergency fund is a money that you put aside for emergencies. It is the money that you can reach out to during your hour of need and pay for those unforeseen and unexpected expenses, such as loss of a primary job, medical emergency, personal emergencies, or even a car breakdown. As a thumb rule, before you start making investments for your long-term goals, first you should build an emergency fund that should be greater than at least 12 months your annual expenses. Keep this money aside in a separate account. 2. Pay down high-interest debt. First of all, please note that not all loans or debts are bad. Here, we are talking about high-interest debts. For example, if you have taken a personal loan, its interest rate may vary from 13 to 18%. Similarly, a credit card company may charge you even higher interest on the outstanding amounts. It doesn't make much sense to invest if the profits that you make on your investments are lesser than the interests that you pay on your debts. For example, if your returns are 12% and you're paying 14% as interest on your previous debt, then overall you're at a loss. Here, instead of investing, it will be better to use that money to pay back and become debt-free. Before you start investing, try to minimize or eliminate debt, especially high-interest debts and your credit card debt. These interests can kill your investment profits. 3. Take a health insurance. When people are in the best of their physical health, an obvious question among them is, why should they invest in health insurance? Paying a premium plan for ensuring health may seem an unnecessary expenditure. However, accidents or health issues may come up anytime unexpectedly, which can put a lot of financial and mental pressure. Further, it is a fact that, as you grow older, health issues come along with it. And hence, it is highly necessary to incorporate healthcare planning within the budget of your family's financial planning. Before starting your investment journey, make sure that you understand what is meant by stocks, bonds, mutual funds, diversification, liquidity, volatility, and other investing basics. Here, you do not need to become a finance geek or an accountant. However, you should have good enough knowledge of the industry to make intelligent decisions. If you want to see full video, click here to watch. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.